In today's video, we are making an incredibly fast and delicious egg drop soups. With my homemade savory chicken broth and just a few simple ingredients, you can have this restaurant-style soup ready in no time. For a soup that delivers maximum flavors with minimal effort, you can't beat a classic egg drop soup. Hey everyone, if you're my subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now and thank you. Let me show you how to cook it. To make this delicious recipe, you will need the following simple ingredients. We have 3 cups of unsalted chicken broth, 2 small beaten eggs, 1 green onion, thinly cut, some cilantro, thinly chopped, and cornstarch mixture. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1/3 cup of water. Now that all the ingredients prepared, let's begin cooking together. Pour the broth in the pot, turn on the heat, and bring it to a boil. Now that the broth is boiling, we are going to season it with a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a quick mix. While the broth is boiling, slowly pour in cornstarch mixture. Make sure that the mixture is thoroughly stirred, and at the same time we also stirring it slowly. If you look closely, you can see the broth get thicker as we are pouring the mixture. Continue to let the broth boiling for about 30 seconds or so. Then reduce the heat to low. Now we're ready to pour in the eggs while the rolling boiling has subsided. And at the same time, we are going to stir The slower we stir, the bigger the eggs. You can see the eggs are instantly cooked once touch the broth. We are going to turn off the heat, then add green onion, cilantro. We can adjust this accordingly. A little more cilantro. We are going to add some black pepper, half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a quick mix. And we are done. Look at the result. Egg drop soup. It looks yummy. Smells great. The aroma from cilantro, green onions, and sesame oil. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.